Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is derivative trading. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. SEBI has banned derivatives trading of 7 agricultural commodities for 1 year. This ban has been imposed on futures trading on the National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange, that is NCDEX. These crops include gram, wheat, paddy except basmati, soyabean, mustard, crude palm oil and moong. This step has been taken to curb rising inflation. Now let's discuss about derivatives. A derivative is a contract between two parties which derives its value or price from an underlying asset. The most common types of derivatives are 1. Forwards and futures. These are financial contracts that obligate the contract's buyers to purchase an asset at a pre-agreed price on a specified future date. Both forwards and futures are essentially the same in their nature. Next is options. Options provide the buyer of the contracts the right but not the obligation to purchase or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price. And swaps. Swaps are derivative contracts that allow the exchange of cash flows between two parties. The swaps usually involve the exchange of a fixed cash flow for a floating cash flow. It is considered that derivatives increase the efficiency of financial markets. By using derivative contracts, one can replicate the payoff of the assets. Therefore, the prices of the underlying asset and the associated derivative tend to be in equilibrium to avoid arbitrage opportunities. Derivatives can help organizations get access to otherwise unavailable assets or markets. Now let's discuss about NCDEX, that is National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange. NCDEX is an online commodities exchange dealing primarily in agricultural commodities in India. It is a public limited company established on 23 April 2003 under the Companies Act 1956. The exchange was founded by some of India's leading financial institutions such as ICICI Bank Limited, the National Stock Exchange of India and the National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development among others. These include 25 contracts for agricultural products. NCDEX is run by an independent board of directors with no direct interest in agriculture. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Forwards and futures are derivative contracts that allow the exchange of cash flows between two parties. 2. National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange is a public limited company. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.